Hello guys, welcome to the Bitcoin forecast. I'm sorry because last night I did the forecast, so this should be like a continuation of that forecast. So, well, try to understand my situation because I am falling in love. And well, at least I know that this will be helpful for the project because I will be able to work more and with more to offer to you guys because now I won't be losing my time talking with useless people. Now I can focus completely in my goals and my objectives, and so that's why everything is different from now on. Okay, so it's so happy for me to be here with you guys today. Everything is different from now on. 24 March of 2025. Everything is different from now on because all the projects are coming again to turn themselves alive because I will be able to achieve all of them and not just me, with a lot of people. Yes, okay. So, anyway, guys, thank you for everything and let's go. So, this forecast will be as of 24th of March of 2025, as I already said, but at 11:40 on CST, okay? 11:40 of the morning. Okay, so first of all, as always, let me make myself smaller because we are about to start with the forecast. So, as I have already said, we are following this channel trend line, and it's looking very good because it has bounced twice. Uh, yes, because this will be the first one that gives us the well, no, yeah, that gives us the limit that we need to follow. So as you can see, yesterday at night when I was talking about this in the stream, I told you that we would be watching that maybe this would be the new limit, but it got up a little more above, and that's what I wanted to see. It reached level 61.8. That's exactly what we were expecting for it to do, because that means that if we go to our yes, that if we go to our yum, 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 to our this shit, I don't know how to call it, our toolbox in the MetaTrader 5, you can see that we are making a little bit of money. So um yeah, funny that that is happening when I activated a few cells, but anyway, I don't think it will go down again, maybe, or maybe it will. So let's just close the one of the ones that are on profit. Nice. That it was this line, which is amazing because I love continuing to build my web. So if this is over here, that means that maybe I need to do a sell over here because maybe it will drop down again. That's what I would be expecting, okay? So just before we go back to the Bitcoin, let's check the other ones. Take Two Interactive is going upwards, but not much. It's still oscillating between the prices that it has been for the past. Give me a second. Give me a second. It's so nice that now you are able to watch what I'm doing, right? So, oh, it's an all-time high. It is in an all-time high. That's a little worrying because we need to have the lights turned on with this. Okay, so Dogecoin is starting to be alive again, but I don't believe in it. And the Mexican peso against the American dollar, it's doing quite nice. I mean, finally, it has broken that weird movement that it did downwards. So right now it's getting a bit um, poised. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. But anyway, guys, so I think that's nice because we're doing fine, right? As an economy, at least for now, we didn't take Donald Trump seriously because he's just only a president. He really don't represent the whole country. But isn't that something that we should all the thinking countries Like, do we really still need some representatives? Because the thing about the representatives was this, that on those times people were too ignorant, and with a lot of reason. And it was well, not in a lot of reason, but it was we could say that it was a real argument because people didn't know how to read and they didn't know how to write. But is that the same right now? Because right now today it's full of people that knows how to read, how to write, how to count, but without soul, without humanship, without that very thing that makes us what we are, right? So that's exactly what we are trying to fix right now. That's exactly what we are fighting for, because it's not just about a transformation of our surroundings, but our transformation about ourselves. And that's what it's important here, because we have the opportunity to become better, not just as individuals, but as a community, or as a state, or as a country, or as the human race. We are always called to be better, to become better. Okay, so that's what I ask for you, to always be trying to become better as you grow up and as you get older. And so the forecast for today, guys, after I told you my motivational speech, as you can see, and this is very important for you to take note, what do we have here? And I want to be very specific on this. What does happen here? What happened here is that it got up and it passed level 61.8, which was perfect because that means that it reached our TP1. But, and that's a big but, it didn't reach level TP2. Well, this is not the level, but it didn't reach TP2 nor TP3, of course. In this case, it actually reached level 182 point, no. It reached TP2 level 182 point, no, 182.2. Yes, I was saying that correctly. What's wrong with me? And yeah, so that what it means, that, right? It actually almost touched CP3 but didn't touch, so it doesn't count. But what does that mean, bro? You know? Does it mean that it will still go up until it reaches TP2 and then it will drop down, or what? What is the probability of the things that we are watching right now? Here it didn't go through TP2 in any of this. So what does it mean? What does anything mean? I know that it's not all that good to be thinking like that on the market, because it will behave like it wants to, right? It will always behave with a rational manner, because that's the thing, that it doesn't depend on one single person. It depends on all of us. On all of us, every single one of us, even the ones that are not active doing any of this, or even the people that had uh, got a Bitcoin and they lost the wallet, that will be forever lost, you know? So that's crazy to think that even in this currency, some part of it will be never retrieved, right? So that actually means that they are a lot less coins that what they say, because of the many accounts that have been lost through lost keys and through banks that disappeared, that crypto banks that disappeared overnight. So yeah, but I mean, the world is not crazy because of the internet. The internet just makes us realize how bad was it. Okay, but we got the chance to change it. We got the chance to make it better, and we got the chance to understand how this works, to make it useful for us, because this was made for a reason, not just to win money. No, this is the future of our economy. This is the future of globalization. Okay, so that's why I love so much Bitcoin, and that's why I want to all of us to understand how does it work and how can we become profitable from it, not just by making fake money, which it is the fiat money that we use in our daily lives. This is real money. Okay, so actually, thanks to Bitcoin, any currency that anchors to Bitcoin will start to lose the competence of any government or any other institution to take control over it. Because Bitcoin is one of the only assets in the whole market that doesn't um, it that it isn't victim of inflation, because there will not be any way to build or to create or to add more bitcoins. That's it. It's just it, and there won't be no more. Okay, I know that. I mean, it has a way in which, of course, it's. I mean, if you understand much more than just the analysis and all of this, you will understand what I mean. Okay, but I don't have actual knowledge about it because I haven't go so deep, but I would like to, as the mining, because that's so interesting. But yeah, bro, there's so much to learn about all of this, and I really would like to invite you all to start reaching for these treasures, to start to be informed, to stop being ignorant, please. That's what I'm asking to all humanity with all my work and with all that I do every day. Because being ignorant is a decision nowadays. Okay? So thank you guys for being here. I'm sorry that I got so dramatic, but there's a lot of things happening right now in my life, so my mind is going crazy about everything, but that's so nice because it's in a very good way. So I'm excited for what is to come. And thank you for being here, guys. As always, I hope that this video is helpful for you, that you become more profitable watching this. And you're also, as always, invited to ask me any questions in any of my social networks. I'll be happy to answer you. And that's it, guys. Thank you for everything, and we'll be seeing each other on the next one. Thank you, and bye bye bye, as always, and much love to everyone, especially over at SLP in Mexico, the doggy state. Bye bye.